Season 5 Episode 18. Tamir Brown second clone makes a terrible Plotagon video /terminated/grounded.
Hi, I'm Tamir Brown second clone Anderson. You can't see me right now, because I am going to try to make it on that video. Let's see how I do. Yes! I made my first Plotagon video. Now time to upload this to YouTube.
10 minutes later.
Yes! I uploaded my video to YouTube. Let's see how it's doing. Wow! My video is already over 500,000 views. Now let's look at the like and dislike ratio. Okay, but that doesn't mean anything. Let's read the comments now. What the heck? Why are there only bad comments? What about the 500,000 people who did like it? An email from YouTube, let's read it. What? Are you kidding me? I thought people actually liked my video. No. No. YouTube took down my video. No. No. I got terminated on YouTube.
Tamir Brown second clone, Tamir Brown second clone, Tamir Brown second clone, Tamir Brown second clone, Tamir Brown second clone. Get downstairs right now. You are in so much trouble. Tamir Brown second clone. I can't believe you made a horrible video, and now you got terminated on YouTube. That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room now.
Wow.
Thanks for watching.